Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to compare two of the most popular blogging platforms, WordPress and Blogger. Which one is better for your needs and goals? Let's find out. WordPress and Blogger are both free platforms that allow you to create and publish content online. However, they have some significant differences in terms of features, flexibility, customization, and SEO. Let's take a closer look at each platform and see how they stack up. WordPress is an open-source software that you can download and install on your own web hosting account. This gives you full control over your blog's appearance and functionality. You can choose from thousands of themes and plugins to customize your site and add features like e-commerce, social media integration, email marketing, and more. You can also edit the source code of your site if you have the skills and knowledge. Blogger is a service owned by Google that lets you create a blog using your existing Google account. You don't need to install anything or pay for hosting. Blogger takes care of all the technical aspects of running a blog, such as security, performance, and maintenance. You can choose from a limited number of themes and widgets to change the look and feel of your blog. You can also use HTML and CSS to make some minor tweaks. Now, let's compare WordPress and Blogger in terms of some key factors that affect your blogging success. Flexibility. WordPress wins in this category, as it offers more options and possibilities to customize your blog and add features that you need. Blogger is more restrictive and limited in terms of what you can do with your blog. SEO. WordPress also has an edge over Blogger when it comes to SEO, or search engine optimization. WordPress has many plugins and tools that help you optimize your site for better rankings and traffic. Blogger has some basic SEO settings, but they are not as comprehensive or effective as WordPress. Support. WordPress has a huge community of users and developers who provide support and help through forums, blogs, tutorials, videos, and more. You can also hire professionals to help you with your WordPress site if you need. Blogger has a smaller community and less resources available for support. You can rely on Google's Help Center or other bloggers for assistance. Monetization. Both WordPress and Blogger allow you to monetize your blog with ads, sponsored posts, affiliate links, and other methods. However, WordPress gives you more freedom and control over how you make money from your blog. You can use any ad network or platform that you want, such as Google AdSense, Mediavine, Amazon Associates, etc. You can also sell your own products or services through your WordPress site. Blogger limits you to using Google AdSense or other Google products for monetization. You also have to share a percentage of your revenue with Google. So, which platform should you choose for your blog? Well, it depends on your goals and preferences. If you want a simple and easy way to start a blog without spending any money or worrying about technical issues, then Blogger might be a good option for you. However, if you want more flexibility, customization, SEO, support, and monetization options for your blog, then WordPress is definitely the better choice. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.